Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's me, Nicole James Himayores, and Arian Stice. My friend. She got a YouTube channel too. I'm in her house. Her name is Arian Stice. And then when you see Arian Rivendell there, just press it. You're gonna see a photo of like me. She is a queen like that. See her face like that. Smile. Don't tell me that's. Okay, we're gonna draw. This is our content. My enemy, Honey, is watching this. So I'm gonna hey, kalma. So ngayon, paano tumatawag? I don't know. I don't know.